Hello and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 25 and this is our open-ended laboratory for G4-3 point load test. First of all, what is point load test? The point load test is an index test by which the rock is classified according to the strength. The test can be used to estimate other characteristics of intact rocks which it correlates, such as uniaxial, compressive and tensile strength. The test determines the strength index values at a point IS50. Next, the importance of the test is to determine the compressive strength of rock specimens from irregular lump tests.
Here are the tools we used to conduct this test. These are different types of rocks. We used it as samples. This tool was used to measure the dimension for each rock. And this tool represents the machine. By using this tool, calculate the dimension for the first sample and record down the reading. Repeat the same process for the second and third sample. After that, calculate the failure load for each sample and write down the value you obtained.
Next, we move on to calculation. So in this experiment, first of all, we need to calculate the cross-sectional area, which is equals to W times D. And then we can find the equivalent core diameter, which is equals to 4 times the cross-sectional area that we obtained earlier over pi. After that, we can find the size correction factor, which is equals to the equivalent core diameter over 50 and power it by 0.45. After that, we can obtain the uncorrected point load strength, or also known as IS, by using the formula load over the equivalent core diameter. And finally, for the point load strength, or also known as IS50, the formula is multiplying size correction factor with the uncorrected point load strength. In conclusion, the experiment is successfully conducted and the objectives are achieved. We determine the compressive strength of rock specimens irregular lump tests. There are a few errors that may occur during the experiment which causes the result to be less accurate, such as parallax error that resulted in wrong calculation. After that, the rock sample may not be clamped firmly, which may move when the load is applied, causes inconsistency of reading. Finally, the rock sample is clamped near the edge of rock that also causes the inconsistency of reading. These precautions must be taken account in the future experiment.